So what are we doing? What do you think, Tut? What's up? Hmm? What's going on? Hmm? You guys have been trashing the garden. My wall of tomatoes. Oh, look at there. Little snap. Oops. Sorry. Well, look here. My wall of maters. Mm. Yeah, Dev. You have at it. Okay. Lots of melons. There's one over here too. It's hanging in the tomatoes. But we have one here. We have one there. We have one laying up here. Where is it? There it is. I don't see any more cantaloupes. So we've only got 2 cantaloupes, but we're going to have a bunch of these little melons everywhere. Everywhere, everywhere. Hi, guys. What's going on? Hmm? What? What's wrong? I gotta go visit the other babies. You guys snacking? Some of you look so bad. Molt, right? Hi, P2. What's up? Okay. Oh, my goodness. Look at them. They're all coming. Ah, there's the back flock. Hi, Gandalf. Hi, Bubby. And why are you out, Copper Top? I saw you and Tut earlier. I know. Hi, my babies. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Get your butt in here. Come on. Hi, little girl. What are you doing over there? You had snacks earlier in the house. Gandalf. Now, here's my Indio Gigantas. Look how big they're getting. They're finally getting some height on them. Look at that one. Pretty bird. What are you looking for? You jumping at me? I don't have any snacks. Well, I didn't bring snacks. I know. But I don't have snacks. Mm-hmm. You guys need water. Huh. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, I do have some rainwater up here. How did you guys run out of water up here? Look, everything is dry. Okay. All right. Look how the ground is cracking. Look at that. I've never seen that before. Amazing. Okay, hold on. There's some old rainwater. That'll do for now, won't it? Yeah. Here. Gandalf, I swear it looks like a chicken's been killed. Oh, I know that's gross, but hey, drink it. All right, you guys want some peanuts? Peanuts, please. Okay, watch out. Come on. Okay. Let's get in here and see what we got. What? Watch out. I don't know if we have any more peanuts or not. We might be out. Oh, no, we're not. We still have some. Yay. Hi, Gandalf. What are you doing? You want it? You want it? They'll take it from you, won't they? Here. Just give them a bunch. Oops. Okay, we'll put some over there. There you go, little girl. There you go, little girl. Yeah, I saw you running. Okay, you guys. All right, I am out of your scratch feed up here. I'm gonna have to bring you some from the other flock. Look, he's gonna run you over to get them. Okay, you guys, let's try some of these pellets and see what you think. Uh-oh. Let's see. I don't have my big scooper up here either. He's a lot bigger than you guys, but try the pellets. He likes them. Okay, that's all that matters. All right. I don't have my big dipper. All right, well, let's put some over here, you guys. Yeah? Okay, why are you picking on him? Why are they picking on each other? Hmm? Why is everybody picking? Don't pick. Are they picking on you, Gandalf? Doubt it. He's hungry. I know. Would you stop being mean? Tell her to stop being mean. So stop being mean. Why are they mean to her? Stop. Stop being mean. Alright, so let's see what's going on here. Everybody's running away. Well, Gandalf, I'm glad that you like pellets because now I know what to feed you. All right, let's go check on the little roosters. Let's go check on our little boys. Yeah. You ever feel like you're being followed? Hi, boys. Hi, boys. How's it going? Hi, pretty man. You guys hungry? Are you hungry? You didn't eat your food. Okay, so we still have, they're not laying eggs in here. They're going over to the brooder barn and laying. We'll be stopping that pretty soon because eventually I'm going to close off the brooder barn. So let's go find some eggs. Yeah? What's the matter, Annie? What's the matter? What's the matter, pretty girl? Yeah, you were broody all spring and half a summer, but now you're ready to be a pet again. I know, I hear ya. Hi, pretty man. Hi, pretty man. Hi. You are a pretty boy. Okay, let's go find some eggs. All right. Yeah. Everybody's snacking. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Yeah. What? Yeah. You're so pretty. All right. can find some eggs. Let's see. There they are. All right, let's get them out. 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. One shy of a dozen. Let's get something to put them in. Hi, Goose. How are you? How are you? Okay, so these are all of my 7 girls that are back here. 2 days worth. I didn't collect yesterday, I don't think. I still haven't found any new eggs yet from all of my springlings. They're still not laying yet. But next year we'll be breeding these Indio Giganta roosters to our hens back here to hatch some most amazing chicks maybe. And I did talk to the fella that got raw, and he's very pleased with him. I am so happy. And I would love to possibly hatch some eggs from him and get a few hens out of that group too. So he and I will probably hatch some chicken eggs from raw and his hens next spring. Hey, y'all have a great day. Hugs from a distance. Having chickens is fun. I don't think everyone should have them. I think that it is a commitment that people just think, you just throw food out to them. But that's when you don't have chickens like I have. My chickens are very friendly and they're loved. So say bye. Say bye, pretty boy. Come here. Come here for a minute. Where you going? Gosh, you're so hot, pretty man. You're so hot. Yeah, I know. See, I love that. All right, you guys. Have a great evening.